Rachel, and today I am back with another video. This time we're going to do a plan with me in my PP weeks, and we're going to use this gorgeous kit from Pookie Bear Cuties. So this video is a collab with Robin, who you know is my very good friend over at Talks from the Heart. We both have the same kit from Pookie Bear Cuties, and we just decided, hey, why don't we both use it and do a bit of a collab just for fun? So that is what we are doing. So you'll find the link to Robin's video in the description of this video when she pops it up. We're going to try and pop it up around about the same time. Obviously, we are both in different parts of the world, so you'll just have to bear with us on that. We'll get there eventually. But yeah, so Pookie Bear Cuties recently started doing it PP Weeks size kits, or you could call them mini kits as well. I really like them because the size of the decorative boxes are just a pinch smaller than what you would usually find in a standard vertical kit, which I really enjoy because it gives you a bit more room at the top. So we have got our 5 full boxes and a tracker. We've got all the functional boxes down there. We've got my favourite type of date covers, which are the paint swipe ones. As you know, I love this one at the top, which is like almost like a tie-dye kind of effect. It's a bit like watercolour. It's very galaxy. I love it. We've got the date dots, a weekend banner, some trackers and some washi. So by the time you watch this, the week will be done. Is that right? Yeah, because this is going up on the 5th, but I'm doing it for the week including the 5th, and the 5th is on a Sunday. So the first few days of December, which means I can crack out a Christmas kit. Woohoo! So let's get this in here. I think might be a while, might have been a while since I last put a PP Weeks plan with me up. I'm just trying to remember. I've been super busy. I've had a lot to film. Yeah, and the PP Weeks ones fell by the wayside a little bit, but never mind. What can I tell you? What else can I tell you? Oh, my Angel Shop planner has now shipped, which is going to be my replacement for the PP Weeks next year. And I think that I'll be able to do a similar style layout. So the boxes in that, if you turn these boxes, I don't know if you can see the grid. Can you see this? So flip that so it's that way, and you've got 4 of them. That's what the Angel planner is, but the width is going to be the same as this. So I think if I line up the boxes by the end, I'll still be able to get a PP Weeks spread in it, which is ideally what I would love to do. But of course I can do different things as well, try different layouts. I have been stalking the Angel Shop's Instagram and looking at the tagged pictures to see what other people that have got this planner have been doing. There's been some gorgeous layouts, so I'm super excited. It's Tomoe River paper apparently, so obviously that's Hobonichi Weeks paper, which I'm very excited about because I do enjoy that paper. So yeah, excited about that. I could turn it as well and do the weekdays here. You know, I've seen somebody do that layout. We'll get to it when it's time. We shall get to it. I'll be sad to see the back of my PP Weeks because I've been in this for 2 or 3 years now. I can't remember. I think I've done 2 years, and I did buy a 3rd, but the quality wasn't great, so I left it. But I'll be sad. I will be sad to not have one. I do enjoy the size and I do enjoy the cover. I'm hoping that the new planner that I have got, the Angel Shop planner, does fit inside my motorhome. I bought a jelly cover with it officially from the shop, so I know that that will definitely fit. So I'll still be able to have like a little vellum or some die cuts and a bit of decoration in the front. That's why I bought a plain clear one. I didn't buy a glittery one or anything like that. So yeah, excited, but I am a little bit sad that I'm going to be saying goodbye to the Print Pression Weeks. I did hear a rumour that he's going to do a Print Pression Weeks layout in a coil bound. So that might solve the problem of the planner not holding up very well. I don't know what it's... I was going to say I think it's because I'm quite a sticker heavy user, but the one that I just got was in bad condition before it had even been opened, never mind had stickers in it. So yeah, unfortunately that is not going to work for me in 2022, but I am excited about the Angel Shop planner. Let me know if you've used one. There was lots and lots of pictures tagged on the Angel Shop account, so I know that it is quite a popular planner. So yeah, let me know if you've used one. Send me some of your layouts on Instagram if you have. I always like to see what you guys have been up to in your planner. Okay, so we've got our date dots, the date covers on a weekend banner down. So let's go with the trackers. Are we getting excited for Christmas? Oh, I am. I went to the Christmas markets yesterday with my friend, and yeah, that was really good. We enjoyed that. We did a bit of shopping in town afterwards. Went to good old Primani. Managed to pick up Paige a really cute Christmas jumper that she's super excited about. And then I got 4 outfits for her that were really cute. They were all like, not Christmas jumper, but like winter jumpers and jumper dresses and tight sets. I got her a really cute coat as well. And I spent £47. I got her 5, no I didn't, I got her 4 outfits and a coat. And it was only £47. Very good value for money if you ask me. Right, so yesterday was Tuesday and I didn't put a video up. So I'm going to put down a full box there. And then Monday's video was that my plan with me? Let's have a look. I think that might have been, okay, yes, it was my basic Stalogy plan with me. My December setup was the week before. So let's get this written on here. Basics Stalogy plan with me. Okay, now then, I don't have any checklists in this kit, but that is fine because I do have my reusable sticker book and I do have a section in here full of them. So what shall we use? Ideally I would like them to match, but I think because this kit has got lots of different colours in, I have got a bit of scope to work with. What about these? They're not quite bright enough, are they? What about these if I cut them down? I think these might work if I cut them down. I'm not sure what kit this is from. It might even have just been some sticker kit extras that Robin sent me. Sometimes she'll send me the extra bits from kits that she doesn't use. And she knows that I do always find a use for the checklist, so she might possibly have sent me some, because it's not ringing a bell looking at them. I'm not thinking that that's anything that I've left over from a kit. Let's get in here then and let's do our film edit and upload. And I'm going to use my stickers from Little Bloom Papery that should be in here somewhere. These ones here. I'm running out as well. I'm going to make myself some on my Cricut, I think. Oh, that's a problem. We've only got 1 film left. Let's rethink that. Is that the only sheet of those that I've got? It does seem to be. I'm not sure why I haven't got more films. Is there not as many films on the sheet to start with? Who knows? Whatever. Change of plan then. What have I got in here? Now I'm thinking about it, I think I did make myself some. I did, and they are here. So let's do this. Film, upload, edit. These are not the best quality because this is from my old sticker paper that wasn't great. It would have helped then if I'd stuck them on my hands in some kind of order, wouldn't it? And I knew which fingers they were on. Okay, perfect. There we go. Look at that. We're good. We are good. Now then, I'm going to use a bit of this washi at the bottom here decoratively. And I'm just going to trim a bit to fit here, just to fill this space in because I don't have anything else to put on that day. I don't think I put a post up on Instagram. So that'll just fill that bit of space in, and I will save that for another day where I need to do that. Right, I want to put down a box over here because yesterday I did take some pictures. I've got my Alvi Planning Co advent to take pictures of and my Josephine Bow Design advent calendar to take pictures of. Both advent calendars which I thought were absolutely amazing. And I will definitely be repurchasing next year if the shops do them. Let's use this. So I made this sticker myself just when I was messing about on my Cricut just to see what it could do. I was trying to sort the offset out, which is the white border around the image, and you can see that it was huge. So I was still playing around at that point. That didn't mean that I had to waste the sticker. That was still useful, so we can put that in there like that. Okay, so today is Wednesday, which means we are doing, let's put this one down, the Print Pression Weeks one, the collab for Sunday, and then that's that out the way. So, PP Weeks collab with Robin. Let's get that down on Sunday. And then I'll find my checklists. Just going to cut this down like I did with the other one, just so that it's got 3. I won't save the 2. There's never a point where I use just 2 checklists. And then let's get back in here and use the film, edit, upload. I feel really weird because I've got a jumper on and I haven't worn a proper jumper for ages. If truth be told, when I finish this video, I'm going to put my PJs on. I love furry, fluffy PJs and I live in them in the house. I'm one of those people that, tell me what you do. Do you stay in your clothes when you get in the house? If I get in the house, so I know that I'm not going anywhere until I go to pick Paige up, which is about 3 o'clock, which is in, what are we? It's 9 o'clock now. So I'll put my PJs back on because I'll be warm and toasty. But I don't like to wear my PJs in a video because I don't want you to judge me. Although I've just told you what I do. Yeah, so what do you do? I know some people in real life that do the same as I do, and then other people that are like, you wear your pyjamas during the day? Do you know what I need? I actually saw one in Primark yesterday. So I know there's that brand called, is it Oodie or Uddy? And they're those huge, massive, oversized hoodies that are fleecy. And in Primark, they're quite expensive, I think. But in Primark yesterday, they had a baby blue one with dogs all over it. And I only saw it when I was at the till. And I said to my friend, oh, no, I didn't pick one of those up. I should have picked one of those up. But I couldn't leave the queue because the queue was horrendous. So I'll have to go back in and pick one up next time. Do you know what's annoying? Is that Primark doesn't do online shopping. How amazing would Primark online shopping be? Dangerous for your bank balance. But I love a good bit of Primarny. Let's find these film, edit and upload stickers. So how is everybody anyway? How are you all getting on with your Christmas shopping? I'm not too bad with my Christmas shopping. We've done most of the kids. We went to Smith's. Aren't little girls are easy to buy for, aren't they? Paige is a typical little girl. She loves dolls and she loves fluffy animal toys and all sorts of stuff like that. She's got quite into playing on her Switch, so she likes games like that. She likes LOL dolls, and if it's pink and it sparkles, she will love it. So she's been quite easy to buy for. But I'm finding Jensen a little bit difficult because I don't want to just give him money or Xbox credit, because Xbox credit really annoys me. I have a real problem with spending money on something that you can't see because it's not a physical item, so it drives me mad. Like if I was to give him like a £50 Xbox voucher and then know that he's just going to spend it on skins on Fortnite or something, you know, that would give me twitchy eye. I wouldn't be able to deal with that at all. But then on the other hand, I obviously need to get him something that he wants. I will give him some Xbox credit because, you know, it's what he wants. But I would like to have some physical items as well. We picked up a few games because Chris and I have been really trying to get the kids to play family games with us lately, just so that we can be spending a bit of quality time together, not on screens. I think that's important. I was going to cut that down, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave that as a nice big long one. Yeah, so we picked up the Taskmaster game because sometimes Jensen watches the Taskmaster with us. And we picked up like some escape room games because he's been into all of that. So yeah, give me your ideas for a 12-year-old boy who is really into his video games, but his mum would like him to spend some time off his video games as well. I know I'm not the only one with that struggle. Right, so what I decided to do for the rest of the days, because we're only on Wednesday and I don't know what videos I'm going to film on what days, is I just popped little boxes on so that I can write them on afterwards. I want to take my advent pictures as well. I've got some more to take. So that can go. Oh, and I got sent a PR parcel from L'Oreal the other day. It was a red lipstick and a jumper, and it says on it femininity, I think it says, because it was some kind of special International Women's Day the other day, and it was about survivors of domestic violence. So I do need to pop a picture up for them for that. I sent Robin a picture of the jumper. I had to laugh. I was like, oh my God, this jumper's so cozy. L'Oreal have just sent me this. And she was like, why do L'Oreal send you things? And I was like, because I am the world's worst beauty, I don't even want to say it, beauty blogger. I'm not a beauty blogger anymore. I do still have the page and I'm still on the PR list. I'm so rubbish at putting posts up. It's funny because I'm still passionate about beauty and makeup, and things like that, but it's kind of been more behind the scenes for me because I'm more passionate about this with you guys. But anyway, I think we are done. Let's take a recap on what I've got left on this sheet. So I've got some date dots and some bill dues, which I will save. I do have a bit of washi there, but I don't actually have anywhere to put it. So I'll save that for something else as well. I've got some full boxes left, some half boxes. I've got a decorative and I have got a little mini tracker there as well. So great value for money, these PP Weeks kits. I loved it. I had more than enough stickers to make a really cute spread. I think you'll agree it is a really cute spread. So yeah, that is going to be it from me. So hop over to Robin's channel, which is Talks from the Heart, and check out her video using the same kit. And I believe she's using it in her PP Weeks as well. So you will get to see how we both use the kit differently. I will link that video down below in the description. And on that note, that is going to be it from me. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye!